Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the show again. It is Tuesday. I don't know. It's just Tuesday, you know. Right. This here's a parcel from Dusty and Wendy. We done a trade. I sent him an Ingersoll. Um, 710, 711, something like that. I don't know what it was for this year. So this here came in 9 days. Okay, 9 days. Now, customs has had a wee quick check at it again. With Chaz's, they checked it twice. With Dusty's, they checked it once. So, but to be fair to customs, they pretty heavily tipped it over. No, over the seal. I just cut the seal off it, and to be fair, customs has done a good job with it. So, right. We packed. Right. Okay. America's team. Now, everybody can see that. America's team. Now, that to me looks like the Dallas Cowboys. And the only reason why I say that there is because of them stars. Where's the stars at? I tell you what, it's so better than this side here. America's stars. That's the only thing I can think of is in one of them American football helmets. Now, obviously we don't get to watch it over here, but that's the only thing. I see it on YouTube. So, I think that's the Dallas Cowboys. And if I'm wrong, Dusty, I'm sorry. It's a beautiful, beautiful. You can correct me if I'm wrong, not there if it's the Dallas Cowboys or not. It could be something else. So it's for holding keys, and I've got front door keys that suit that. They're lovely. Right. Oh, t-shirt. Whoever. Oh, I want to show a t-shirt. Whoever is in charge of making sure I don't do stupid stuff is fired. I'm always good. Oh, look at this here. Oh, yeah, listen, by the way. Nope. Okay. Right. This is the baby I'm after here. This is a Lockton 555. Okay. Right. Oh, I'm assuming the shear is rekeyable. Yeah. Somebody can tell me if I'm wrong or not there. Wonder if there's a master key to take that out. No. No, huh? Doesn't matter. Not that there. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I think she's got to be 55. She's got to be 55. Yeah. 55. So she's a Lockton 555. She's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This wee thing here the dragon. That's what I love about this here Lockton. I've always liked it. Seen in Chris's now. Chris's has got, I think, probably the older version because his says close shackle, 55 in the bottom. But I don't care. His can say whatever it wants in the bottom. But I was after one of these Locktons, and just in one day he was after one of them Ingersolls, and well, it was a brilliant trade. I still believe I got the best of the trade, and he probably thinking he got the best of the trade. So I'm very, very happy out there. Oh, by the way, keep bidding, keep bidding. Hey, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I think that's a six pinner. I could be wrong, but that looks like a six pinner to me. Um, Absolutely gorgeous. Right, everybody. Here, if I'm wrong on this year, being the Dallas Cowboys, please tell me this year. Chaz or Dusty Monday, please tell me. I don't know much about American football, so I could be wrong. And everybody, thank you for tuning in and share brilliant thing. I wasn't expecting to do this video as part of my collection up to 19 or 100, so yeah. Right, everybody, enjoy your week. This is what, Wednesday, so have a great week. Bye bye.